Alright, so today I got a parts avatar order and a little install video. You can see here we are changing the rear brakes. We got some Brembo coated rotors for the rears, of course, both sides. You can see them here greatly packaged in the box, as always, straight from Brembo. Straight to my place. Very quick shipping there. Old rotors, you can see definitely time for a change. Two of them in the box, as always, along with the Akebono brake pads. So I tried to get an idea of what the close to OEM comparables are, and these two names came up quite a bit when I was looking online, at least for their high quality, of course. So here you can see the Akebono box comes with the hardware, comes with four pads, two for each side. Look really great. You could see there quickly the old rotors, they were definitely time for replacement. And here we can see the new shiny rotors ready to go. Thank you, Parts Avatar, for another great order. Bye bye.